Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a golf grip. First, gather your essential tools: a vise, a hook blade, new grip tape, and grip solvent. Make sure your new grip is the correct size and style for your club. Secure your club in a vise using a rubber shaft clamp to prevent any damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient grip replacement process, setting you up for success right from the start. Now, let's remove the old grip. Using a hook blade, carefully make a cut along the entire length of the old grip, being mindful not to scratch the shaft. Once cut, peel the old grip away from the shaft. Next, remove all the old grip tape and any sticky residue. A clean shaft is crucial for the new grip to adhere properly, so take your time with this step. With a clean shaft, it's time for new tape. Apply a fresh strip of double-sided grip tape, starting about 1/4 inch from the butt end of the shaft and extending about 1/2 inch beyond the end. Smooth out any air bubbles. Now, generously pour grip solvent inside your new grip, shaking it to coat the interior. Then, pour the remaining solvent over the entire length of the new tape on the shaft. This is the final step. Immediately after applying solvent, quickly slide the new grip onto the shaft, pushing it down firmly. Ensure the grip's alignment is perfectly straight before the solvent dries. You have about 30 seconds to make any final adjustments. Once aligned, let the grip dry completely for at least 8 to 10 hours. This ensures a secure bond, ready for your next round of golf.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.